Again, welcome to Jnana Learning. So here is a lecture on Z transform and its a region of convergence. So if you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe my channel Jnana Learning. So the Z transform. So as we know, Z transform converts a difference equation into algebraic equations. So the analysis of discrete time system will be very much simplified using the Z transform. So here is the expression for Z transform of a discrete time sequence x of n, and it is x of z is equal to summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of n z raised to minus n. Here z is a complex variable and in polar form it is expressed as z is equal to r e raised to j omega. R, it is a radius of a circle. Now the inverse Z transform is x of n is equal to 1 by 2 pi j integral over c x of z z raised to n minus 1 dz. Next we will discuss the ROC of Z transform, that is a region of convergence. So the ROC have got much important while doing the transformation from time domain to frequency domain. Actually, the value of Z for which the sum that we have already expressed, the convergence of that sum is called as a region of convergence. So it is defined for both the finite duration signals and infinite duration signals. So here I have noted some important properties of ROC. That is the ROC, it is a ring or disk in the Z plane centered at the origin. And the ROC cannot contain any poles. And if it is an LTI stable system, the ROC of an LTI stable system contains the unit circle. And the ROC must be a connected region. Now we will see the ROC for some finite duration signals and infinite duration signals. So first we will see the ROC of finite duration signals. See, the first case we are discussing is a right-sided sequence or a causal sequence. That is, if x of n is a finite duration or causal sequence, then ROC is the entire Z plane except at Z equal to 0. Clear? And if it is a left-sided or anti-causal sequence, then the ROC will be an entire Z plane except Z equal to infinity. And if x of n is a two-sided sequence, then ROC is entire Z plane except at Z is equal to 0 and Z equal to infinity. So that is the case for finite duration signals. When we discuss the ROC of infinite duration signals, here also we have three cases, that the first one right-sided or causal sequence, then the ROC is mod z greater than R1, that is R1 it is a radius of the circle as shown in the figure, and the region of convergence is outside that particular circle. And for left-sided or anti-causal sequences, the region of convergence will be inside that particular circle with radius R2, that is mod z less than R2. And for two-sided sequence, that is if x of n is an infinite duration two-sided sequence, the ROC will consist of a ring in the Z plane bounded on the interior and exterior by a pole, that is not containing any pole. That is, see here R1 it is a radius of the smaller circle and R2 it is a radius of the bigger circle. So R1 less than mod z less than R2. So that shaded portion will be the region of convergence in case of two-sided or non-causal two-sided sequence. So that's about the Z transform and its region of convergence. So hope you have understood the concept very clearly. So please subscribe my channel Jnana Learning for more lectures. Thank you so much.